Financial information used to be stored in dusty ledgers, paper statements and filing cabinets. The digital revolution replaced these physical records with zeros and ones. Data could now be accessed instantaneously. As part of a wider move to give citizens greater control over their financial data, many governments are attempting to increase competition, innovation, and access to banking services by ensuring banking service providers share this information more freely and securely. This effort is known as open banking. By the end of 2020, open banking will be live in Australia. This means customers will be able to direct their banks to share information with accredited third parties. These might be other banks, fintechs, or big consumer brands. Opening up financial data will enable competition and innovation, which means banking customers will be able to access a wide array of new, digitally enabled services. These include apps that can bring together consumer accounts held in different banks shown on one screen, so customers can see all account balances at a glance, and in future, be able to move money between them. Open banking will allow for services that could analyse statements and help customers find better deals on their recurring expenses, such as energy bills. And for businesses, services such as digital receipts and loyalty programs for the retail sector have already started to roll out in overseas markets. In Australia, open banking is just the first step in a wider initiative to put citizens in control of their data. Whether it's their money, power consumption, or telecommunications. At Westpac, we believe open banking is an opportunity to deepen the customer relationship. Building on our long heritage, we aim to reward and empower our customers in ways that truly fulfill the promise of an open and dynamic banking market. To read our report, please go to westpaciq.westpac.com.au/open banking.